Yeah, that shit touched my heart, bro. Like, I dead ass help mad. Y'all don't even understand. Like, people really was crying, like, off camera. Like, on my mother's life, off camera. People literally was crying in my arms. Like, people literally cried in my arms saying, Tyler, if it wasn't for you, I would have left. Like, I would have never made it through. If it wasn't for you, if it wasn't for you, I don't know what I would do. If it wasn't for you, I don't even think I'll be coming of my classroom. If it wasn't for you, I don't think I'd be doing this. I don't think I'll do that. You feel what I'm saying? And that shit is like, that shit touched me because that's just my true self. So when that shit be like, when I look at the shit, like people that don't know me on the internet and really think I do that shit for like clips, that shit'll make me want to just go and just like crash out. Because on my mother's life, I could call any small creator right now that I approach on my mother's life. They will tell you I approached everybody in the auditorium before orientation.